Hey, this is Ron at Crazy Trailer World. Today we're going to talk about 5 tips to keep your trailer in great condition. First one is going to be making sure your wiring is good. So we'll go over here and open this up. You're going to look for any kinks in the wiring or anything, and then make sure there's no cuts or breaks in the wiring over here. Another thing, make sure your breakaway is working, engaging your brakes. So if you pull this cable right here, you're going to want to make sure that your brakes are locked in. Plug that back in. Step 2, we're going to look and make sure we grease all the grease joints. So I'm going to lift up the dump. As you'll see on the hoist over here, we're going to have a couple grease joints right here, here. There's going to be 2 or 3 back here and another 2 right here. We do have to grease the jack. Make sure your jack is greased. And then we'll step back over here. You got 2 brackets that need to be greased, so make sure you stay on top of that, at least on a monthly basis. Okay, number 3, we're going to look at maintaining your axles. So Dexter recommends every 12 months or 12,000 miles to have your axles serviced. So you're going to want to jack up your trailer. You're going to check from side to side looseness. This one's pretty tight, obviously, because it's new. But if it's loose, that indicates that you're going to need your bearings replaced or serviced. So one of the reasons why you want to check that is if it becomes too loose, it can potentially come off, probably worst case scenario, and it could be a danger to somebody else on the road. So you want to make sure you maintain the bearings and get that serviced every 12,000 miles or 12 months. And also check your drums for scoring. Check your brake pads while you're doing that. Okay, number 5, we're going to check for loose fasteners. So you want to make sure your U-bolts are all tight. Your suspension bolts and nuts right here, here's some more. And then also check and see, make sure your springs don't have a loss of arch. And when you do replace those, Dexter recommends replacing those in pairs to make sure you have a smooth ride and ensures that the alignment is proper on the trailer. Don't forget, guys, we here at Crazy Trailer World, we offer parts and service. So if you need anything on your trailer or need anything done on it, repair or replace, come see us at crazytrailerworld.com.